Hello everyone, the Simplex 493 here, and today we'll be doing our New Year's sound off. As you can see, it's 11:58 p.m., at least where I live, or where I'm recording this. So here's what we got. Here we have three 34Ts, one of them being a 34T-WS-24. Here's what else we got. Here's our board of alarms. Here we have our True Alerts, our Special Alert Classics, our NS, our Integrity, of course another True Alert. Here's our 4903 strobe plate with a life alarm speaker on it, and a 4904. These will both be going off as well. We have a minute and 18 seconds left, and here's what's going to be setting off the alarms. It's a perfectly intact 4098, like it's basically mint, brand new basically. Ignore it being on fire. Don't worry about that. Should work fine, right? And we have a minute left, so hopefully that true alarm finishes burning so it can go ahead and set off the system. Since smoke detector is supposed to do that, right? Totally, definitely, 100%. So as you know, fire alarms, they're pretty loud generally, so I'm not really excited for this. Well, I am, since it's the new year. I mean, fire makes smoke, so smoke should set off the smoke detector, right? Anyways, we have 17 seconds left. 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Why isn't this going off? Alright, whatever. 2, 1. Happy New Year's. But why isn't this going off? It's a fire alarm. It's supposed to be doing that. Oh, well, that explains a lot. Welp. Whatever. Jeez, that was loud. Well, that was 2024. Happy 2025. Let's go ahead and reset the panel. Let's pull station like that. Anyways, that was 2024. It's been a great year for me this year. I just want to thank everyone who's helped me along the way. But other than that, that's the set off. I'll see y'all again in the next video, and a happy 2025.